YouTube, and today I have a surprise. And it's a really big surprise. Magic powers to make it appear. Ta-da! Whoa! Oh, whoa, I think I might have overdone the spell. We're in a different spot now. Oh well, this is the Paw Patrol toy tower. And it can light and sound.
We have an emergency. Kelly the cat is stuck up in the tree. Pick a pup to help us.
It's over 2.5 feet tall. Look how big this tower is to me. It's humongous. My size lookout tower. Thank you, Spin Master, for sending me this Paw Patrol set. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that came with. Now I'm gonna start assembling them together. Look, I already assembled this one. Oh, this looks cool. Putting it inside. This was kind of confusing because I thought it was like going to be like this, but it's just like this. I'm snapping these together. Snapped it in. Snapped it. Stuck that one in. Snapped it in. Snapped all of them. Ooh. I am a sun. Here we go. Snap it all in. Look.
I was showing D and C snap these together, which is
These two. How do I even do this? I'm confused. I'm gonna snap these together. Okay, I'm gonna put the top on. Set up this side part too. Here's the elevator. Let me put one of the dogs in. It goes up. And the thing opens. And then he's up here.
hello.
Hello. The abilities that they have there on the badges. Here, 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 here. And this is his right here. So when he has a mission, he press that and then go down. Time to put it on. It's supposed to go this way. There we go. And now we put this final touch.
Wind tower.
Guys, I'm happy I'm done setting this up. And now let's play with it. It's really cool that it does this. I didn't even know it does that. It changes sceneries. Now I'm gonna press this button.
Captain Turbot needs our help. His boat is stuck on a rock. Pick a pup to help us.
I'm gonna pick these two pups. Time to put you two boys in here. It's gonna go to the side.
Oh, he landed.
He landed in there. Okay, time to go crash into the wall. He fell out of the car. Let's try this guy. Put him in the elevator. Oh, I'm gonna wait for my friend to come back from the mission. Try to land in the car, which is gonna be really, really hard. Oh, I landed! I landed! Yay! Yay! Now let's go to my mission. Oh, I crashed. Ding. Yay, back! I'm gonna stay here this time and drinks
Pick a
and
pup
eat.
to help us.
Hungry. I'm gonna
Pick
get
a
a
pup
snack.
to help us.
Ooh, yum.
Whenever you're in trouble.
I ate it all. Oh, it's all gone. I love doggy snacks. They're so delicious. Here's the toy that I set up. And I might watch Paw Patrol when I'm done with this video because I kind of got into this because I just built this Paw Patrol. I really had fun with this and I hope you guys get this toy if you really like Paw Patrol. It's really fun, but it's kind of hard building. But when you're done building it, it's worth it because you get to play with it after. I hope you like this Paw Patrol video. Click here for another video and click here for another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram